Greetings, this is Eric with Bush Safety. We are in the middle of bench configuring a Feniex QUAD GPL 49-inch light bar for installation on our demo vehicle. For those who may not be familiar with Feniex QUAD technology, the QUAD GPL light bar gives the installer the ability to configure the light bar in multiple patterns along with multiple color combinations. Those colors include red, blue, amber, and white. There are so many reasons why this light bar is the right solution for any fleet manager, any industry, and any responder due to its complete flexibility in being configured not only by the installer, but also by the installer in the field. But enough of that. Let's get to what we all want to see, and that's what this light bar can do. So let's zoom in a little closer and take a look at the controller. This is a 4200 data link controller which can be specifically programmed and configured based on each button functionality. So in other words, this allows changes to be made in the field in the event the customer would like to move functionality around to different buttons. Let's go ahead and activate Priority 1 Response Mode. You'll notice when I move the switch to Priority 1, it activates the status display at the top of the controller, which the line of LEDs indicate what your light bar is doing at that given time. The pattern that it's showing right now indicates that the light bar is in warning mode. This particular warning mode that I've chosen to demonstrate here could be typically used on a tow vehicle. So for example, you'll see it's a combination of a flash pattern with dimly lit LEDs on the rest of the bar. This is a safety feature that prevents drivers who are approaching the scene from being blinded by the flashing pattern on your light bar by having a steady burn in the background. Okay, we're going to demonstrate Priority Response Mode 2. This particular mode I have configured to step up the priority of the response by changing color of the light bar and the flashing pattern. This response mode change demonstrates the light bar's ability to have the pattern changed in addition to the color combination. Now we're changing to Priority Response Mode 3. This increased response mode is intended to demonstrate the increased warning ability of this light bar. In this mode, I have configured the bar to be in what the manufacturer calls attack mode. This increased priority response mode allows the light bar to demonstrate its ability to provide a maximum amount of warning. This increased level of warning is especially useful in situations for law enforcement, such as vehicle pursuit situations. This light bar also offers programmable functionality to provide a very bright amount of lighting to the scene where you're working. Demonstrated here, this lighting can be directed to the front of your vehicle, to the rear, to the right, to the left, or all the way around your vehicle. Another valuable feature that's available on this light bar is the arrow stick feature or traffic director feature that you'll sometimes hear it referred to as. This allows a rear-facing indicator to show traffic in which direction they should divert when they're approaching a scene. For example, this light bar offers an indicator for traffic to proceed right, to proceed left, or to proceed to the right or the left by moving indicators that start in the middle and point outward. The flexibility of this light bar allows the traffic director mode to be used along with any other flash or flood pattern that is available on this light bar. When the traffic director is turned off, the light bar returns to normal warning mode. This light bar has a lot of advanced technology built into it, allowing it to do very unique things. A favorite thing of mine that this light bar will do is it has the ability to detect whenever the passenger door or the driver door is opened on the vehicle. By disabling a portion of the light bar, this prevents the responder from being blinded by the flashing lights, especially at night, allowing them to safely assess the situation. As shown here, the driver's side of the light bar is disabled whenever it detects that the driver's door is open. Functionality is the same for the passenger side. When the light bar detects that the passenger door has been opened, it will disable the appropriate side. That's all we have time to show you today. We have to get back to work on this demo vehicle and get it ready for the road. We appreciate the time you took to watch our video. If you'd like more information about this light bar or our other safety products that we offer, give us a call or drop us an email. You can find us on the web at bushsafety.com.